And good evening. So I finally built it. I was going to take my camera to work and I do apologise for that. I forgot. So here it is all done. Now this is my second filming and I won't hold I won't hold it so close to the camera that you can't actually focus on it. But yeah, this is built. It's the QRP Pixie CW DIY kit. And it says here it's a simple 40-meter band radio transceiver, 7.023 megahertz shortwave radio transmitter receiver. Lovely. Thus the little crystal here at exactly that frequency. Okay, and here is the instructions, which I won't, I'll just hold it there. So that is basically a layout, and we'll just say a BOM and a layout. BOM, B-O-M. So you see the components down the side listed as R and the value, and then you've got the inductors, capacitors, electrolytics, diodes, transistors, and then there's the chip, which I don't quite know what that one is. I'm just looking at it. It's a DIP8, so it's a LM386, okay, and it had a holder with it, as we can see if we have a look here. I'll try and keep it in there. So that's the chip there with the holder, and it's all soldered in, all nice and neatish. Okay, lovely. Yeah, it took just taking my time. It took a couple of hours. One little hiccup here, which we won't go into. Neil saw 47 on the things, as in the colours, yellow and violet, and thought, oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. And put 40, was it 400, let's just double check, yes, a 400, let's move it here, a 470k resistor instead of a 47k. Oh no, is it 470 ohm resistor instead of a 47k? So yeah, so I had to swap them around, but in doing so, I could not remove the solder from these 2 points. One of my colleagues said I should use braid, but I tried a blower and a sucker. The blowers, it was on max heat, on max blow, just wasn't heating it. So I had to push it in. Unfortunately, it's got so bad. I was going to take it out and replace it, but then I thought, well, no, we'd leave it as is. It's just the one. The rest are fine. I can sort of live with that. I have another one coming, which I will do properly. And yeah, it's really just a proof of soldering skill, really. The soldering iron at work, the one that was available for me, it was a, yeah, I don't know. It's one that you would give children to play with. It wasn't the sort of nice little tip, it was a big fat tip on the end, and it was just, yeah, I was surprised I did the job I did. Anyway, so that's this done. Lovely. I will say I've got one more resistor to fit here, and that will hopefully complete another assignment from the course. I've already done one evening, or one morning actually, and that was a couple of assignments. I did some, so I'm working my way through them. There's a few that we'll all do together, but it's a case of quickly catching up for a poor chap who has already started. So there's a quick catch up for me, hopefully get done fairly soon, and then we get on to the theory and the other assignments that we will do during the 1 hour tuition. Yeah, so I'm very pleased, got it done. I think these pins on these two sockets, they are a bit of a funny angle. Alright, sorry about that. Someone came into the studio or the kitchen Yeah, so I was just saying these sockets are the only thing that's a funny skewift angle, which it's one of the ones you look at. I'm glad I got another one on order, because I'd have to, the OCD would kick in, you'd have to sort that out. But yeah, it's nice and looks good. That's the important thing. Well, hopefully it'll all work. It's all fairly straightforward. There's the circuit diagram here. Hopefully you should see. I'm just trying to look to see what that is. I wonder if that is a tone, isn't it? Because it's on the V out for the headphones. Who knows? Is that? Oh, it might be a little amplifier. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into it and get back to you on the next video. I'm showing my lack of modern electronic knowledge. Yep, but that's it, and that's the thing done. All right, I think my next video will be on what will I have to get myself. It's a dilemma because I'm on the intermediate course. Do I wait and get myself a HS receiver, transmitter, a home base, or do I buy a little radio, a little hand radio, mobile, and maybe 10-11 meter radio for the car? Who knows? I don't know. I don't know how busy the 10-11 meters is. Is it worth it for the car? The thing about it is CBs were a lot cheaper in 1980 and 81. Considerably cheaper, I think. And yeah, they just seem to. My old school. I like a certain type of radio, and the ones that come have just got a few buttons and the big display, and they look like home kits. No, I wouldn't buy one of them, and they're so expensive for what they are. Yeah, so expensive. Anyway, okay, so that'll be my next video, what to get. I might sort of surprise you and buy something, but chances are not. So it'd be interesting on your comments about what you did once you got your foundation, or when you first got your license, if you got one prior to, if you got a G license. I think they were, yeah, when they just did the one exam. Yeah, so what did we all get first? I know a lot of people at the club have the little mobile handheld things. So yeah, maybe I should give one of them a go. As I say, they're only £30, but I'd begrudge to spend £200 on something for the car, and I could spend £200 on something for the house. And what aerial am I going to get? I mean, what do I concentrate on? I'd like a multi-band aerial. I need to do a little bit of research on this, and it's compromise because it's keeping within their foundation license conditions of 10 watts, because at some of the transceivers I've looked at, I don't think they go down to 10. They might do, but some of them they seem to go down to 40 or 50. Maybe I'm reading it wrong. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong ones. Who knows? Anyway, that'll be the next video. Should be in a few days. I've got quite a busy time coming up. So yeah, but I'll keep you updated because I should be going to the club tomorrow night, and hopefully we'll get this ticked off and we'll get the resistor fitted, and that'll be another notch on Neil's assignments for his intermediate license, which yeah, haven't heard anything from. I'm so impatient. So it's Wednesday posted, so we'll go Thursday, Friday, Monday, 3 working days. I've got another 3 working days until they process hopefully my results, and then I'll get confirmation in return of post. Hopefully this week. It'd be really cool if it's for Friday. Alright then guys, well sorry for rambling on, and yeah, please sub if you're watching this, love all your comments, and hit the like button. Okay, chat to you soon, bye.